Hi, I am Deborah R. Richardson of Deborah R. Richardson LLC, and I work with you to help you clean up your vendor data, clean up your vendor processes so that you pay the right vendor. Now, this week's Vendor Master File tip of the week is vendor bank change requests via email. You need to ask yourself 5 questions to avoid payment fraud. And so here they are, email red flags or questions that you need to ask. And the first one might surprise you, but it is, did the documents come from your internal team member? Because you never know where they got it from. Did they miss some email red flags or did they get it from crook.com? The next question is, did you only receive a bank letter and voided check from your vendor? Well, those documents can be forged. The third question is, was there new contact information dated or received recently? Why? Because one of the newest trends is that fraudsters are sending contact information to be updated prior to sending a change in banking request. And why is that? Because they know you're making that confirmation call and they want you to contact them. The fourth one is the bank country different than where the vendor is located? So if the vendor's country and the bank country is different, that could be a red flag for fraud. And the fifth and last one is it urgent? This one doesn't surprise you, but it is always, most always included because the fraudsters want you to process the request before you have a chance to think about it. So if any or all or a combination of any identify or look like an email red flag, you know what? You need to stop because it just could be a fraudulent email request. Now, I recently did a podcast talking about how to use AI tools in email to spot red flags. And guess what? It's coming up next. All right, so if you'd like information on how to improve your vendor process, go to my website at deborahrichardson.com for free tools and resources to avoid fraud, regulatory fines, and just overall bad vendor data. If you would like over 173 annual hours of training for your team, check out the Vendor Process Training Center at training.deborahrichardson.com. So good luck and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified next Tuesday for the next Vendor Master File tip of the week.